This is a ZX Spectrum game called Empire, running on a emulator. It's taken me weeks to do this game. I've used a cheat to get through it, so you don't die when you lose energy or get poisoned with radiation. The basic premise of the game is you have all of these solar systems here in this huge galaxy. There were more than this. There was some of them up here. They've died off during the game. You start in this system here, and basically you've got to top up the starbase at every planet wherever there's a dot, and you have to top up the ore, minerals and people on board the starbase, get rid of the alien invasion that's in each solar system, top up the starbases. So you'll see here. So it looks like when this one's fully topped up and it's mine. I bought it. I bought everything. I've got one more left, which is this one. It's the last one in the game. With using the cheat, it's taken weeks. And I dread to think what playing the real game would have been like all the way through from start to finish. I did play it as a kid back in the 80s, and it was painful to play because it's such a difficult game, especially when the aliens attack you with machine gun like lasers. You get crippled immediately. But anyway, here we are for the worst ending of a computer game. She'll go back into the starbase. Okay. G. Okay. It's a bit of a faff on to get into the starbase. I'm going to fly a little ship up in the middle. I get them lined up vertically. It's going to be a bit of a ball ache. They've got to be spot on vertical. Are we in? No, we're not. We're just out by a pixel or so. This is one of the annoyances in the game, having to do this routine. Okay, so it's a fully topped up starbase. It's the last one to buy. Let's buy the starbase. And what will happen, nothing happens after this, and then there's a pause in the game, and then we get a message. Okay, we'll exit out. Galaxy map, we've now got 100% ownage. Alien systems are 64 for some weird reason, even though these are all mine and they've got nothing left. Okay, I think there's a mission going on over here somewhere, but we're not going to get the chance to do it. Right, let's go just sail about, waiting for that radio message now. It'll come along in a moment or so. Just zip about. There we go. Radio message, press any key. All systems under your control. You have won. Press any key. That's the death sequence. You died. Press any key. How many percent? This is hexadecimal. Actually, let's be saying 100%. 4 medals for all the aliens I shot. Worthless. There we go. Start a new game. And we're back to the start. A skilled pilot is needed for a mission where aliens have taken a pod and we can't get it back. You do it. Can't be asked. No, that is the worst ending to a game. Absolutely terrible. After months of playing it, there was no end credits, no building of the frontier barrier that was mentioned in the instructions. Nothing like that. It was a bit of a flop ending, really. I did like playing the game initially, but it's very tedious, very monotonous, very repetitive, with having to top up star bases and killing off aliens. There's only so much you can do on a 48K Spectrum, I suppose. And this game could have been better designed, better weapon systems, better ranking, or some better ships, better carrying the pods and handling them could have been better. It's initially a good game, but when you play it and you can actually see what's missing from it and what could be added. It's a shame I'm not a programmer, because I would definitely modify this game to make it a bit more like the classic Elite game. There you go. One rubbish ending to a ZX Spectrum game.